Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we will learn how to download a statistical downscaling model SDSM that is used to downscale climatic parameter like maximum temperature, minimum temperature, and rainfall data. So initially we will search SDM downscaling. Then here is the software. We press here open tab, and in this SDSM folder will open. And here is the last updated software SDSM 6.1. So click here for downloading. Then automatically the software will be downloaded. So I already download this SDSM software. So after downloading this software, this zip file will download it. Then you have to unzip it. For this, press right click and extract all. Then the extract button. I already extract here. This is my extracted file. So press here and then SDSM 6.1. Then in setup menu, hit setup menu. Then yes. Okay. Then click this button. So you have to click here. Then continue. Okay. So your SDSM software is downloaded successfully. Press OK. So start menu and is DSM 6.1. Open it. Then from start section, this is our SDSM updated version. So thanks everyone. In our further class, we will try to learn how to downscale maximum temperature, minimum temperature, or rainfall data. Thank you everyone.